guys, Alex here with my buddy Austin, getting ready to launch for another salmon attempt. Also am joined by my brother Paul. How you doing, bud? All right, and we got something cool for you today. So we're gonna go and do our typical salmon attempt. Gonna kind of drive around a little bit right around the river and find a spot where they might be and then sit on it. See if we can do some back balancing. Maybe we'll do some trolling, but want to introduce you to the new boat. I currently think it should be called Catch Happy One, but my brother did the renovations on it. It's fully restored. I know you can't see this right now, but we'll show you more as the day breaks. And there's some light. Austin is working on getting some of that wonderful herring.
Sardines.
Sardines, sorry. Sardines. See, I'm learning here with you. So my whole job and purpose here is to make mistakes and show you the kind of mistakes that I'm making so you don't make them. All right, guys, we'll see you in the water. If you guys watched our video, this boat has a full electrical setup with trolling motor. It was modified. It's not on the boat right now because we got about a few mile ride. I don't know how many miles, but it's a little bit heavy. So we took the electrical out and just kept this 18 horses, 2-stroker, Evinrude on it, and of course Paul is doing the mix to get 2-cycle oil mixed into the gas. Yeah, getting prepped. Austin, of course, is the owner of Lip Rippers Guide Service. Super excited to fish with him again, and we do it every week. Austin, what are you thinking today? Couple bites, 3 bites, usually you're pretty good at.
I don't know, we'll see. Fishing.
All business. He's all business when we're fishing. All right, guys. See you in a bit. Ooh. Yeah, baby. We got life. Again, guys, this is the second time this boat's been ever on the water. First, Lake Briesa was a test run. Now, Sacramento River. This is going to be a little more serious because we're going after salmon. And that's going to be a little bit of work. So let's find out what happens next. All right, so first situation. This motor got full of seaweed and overheated. So now we're working on a solution, but Austin.
Without getting into it, I can't see what's going on. It's not blowing past the water through. So 2 choices. You can pull it back out, take one boat, or tow it.
Definitely not towing it that far.
Okay, then we'll have to pull it back out.
All right, pull it back out. Go get the car. Turn right, turn wrong. That Kim? Turn it on. Watching for doubles.
Second.
Yeah. He's a good sized fish. Oof. Net?
Reel this rod in too.
Okay.
I'm just gonna hold him here.
Okay. is it in the mouth?
No, he's not.
No, he's not?
I'm gonna tell the face.
Oh, hold on.
Hold on. You gotta go head first. Oh, you
Yeah,
do that.
let me not. I got it. Got it. I've already gone through
Get back here, Alex.
a bunch of
Come
fails.
behind me, Alex.
Okay. I've gone through a bunch of fails on this one. So hopefully this won't be a fail. Let's see if we can end this one.
What's your head first?
Got him.
Don't bring the boat. Just bring it through, see? It's male.
Ooh, good size. Good size
Everybody.
fish. All right. So the idea is you can't side hook them, huh?
Nope.
Got it. 10-4. We have fish in the boat though.
Go put the rod back out.
All right, baby. God, what are we doing? Bouncing plugs. The only guy catching here is the jigger. All right, tell me what to do. You need help.
I'm just gonna walk under the rod. Real boat, shoot up again.
Okay. Got to clean up for coach to have a clean win. Oh, come on,
Is that a common reference for a guy?
no, it's not. It's just for him. I call him coach because that's what he does. I like that. I like that. Devious plan. Let me know when you're ready for that. Okay. Yep, got it. Ooh. Oh, did you guys see that? That's a pretty fish. That's a good looking fish. Always nervous netting fish for you.
I don't know if it's a mouth, but
We're about to get shook here.
you don't know. It's a mouth.
Dude, those waves did not.
That one almost cost us a full bar of water.
All right, see what you got, coach. Nice catch
Big
today.
freaking mama.
Nice catch. Let's go fishing. Hey guys, so it's a little getting warm around 10 o'clock or so, 10:15. We're trawling back to the base, taking it slow. Gonna have coach take a picture with his fish. Whew, she's the big one. She's the biggest one we caught so far. So yeah, today plugs didn't work. We got a little too late. We have had a little bit of a hiccup with one of our boats. So yeah, got a little bit late. The sun was out, so plug bite was off. Did some jigging, and Austin caught a nice looking fish. Well, there's a wrap for today. Stay tuned. We'll catch you next Tuesday. It'll be another adventure.